Motion. What is motion? In physics, motion is the change in position of an object with respect to time. It is mainly described in velocity, which is the rate of change in a body's position, and acceleration, which is the change in velocity over time. We have two types of motion: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. In uniform motion, when equal distance is covered in equal interval of time, the motion is said to be in uniform motion. The bodies moving with constant speed or velocity have uniform motion or increase at the uniform rate. Non-uniform motion. When unequal distances are covered in equal interval of time, the motion is said to be in non-uniform motion. The bodies executing non-uniform motion have varying speed or velocity. So we have here an examples of motion. As you can see, a lady who is dancing in different position and direction, and the other one is a man who is jumping, probably with joy. That's all, and thank you.